Our focus today is isosceles triangles and their properties. So if two sides of an isosceles triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite the sides are also congruent. So this side is congruent to this side of this triangle. So that means that the angle across from this side and the angle across from this side are equal. So if this angle equals 24, that must mean that x also equals 24. If I know that this side is congruent to this side, that means this angle is congruent with this angle. So if this angle equals 68 degrees, that means that y has to equal 68 degrees. And just if we wanted to, we could use our interior angles of a triangle property to find out what this equals. So 24 plus 24 plus z equals 180. 48 plus z equals 180. So z has to equal 132. So we can do the same thing for this one. 60. We'll call this W. 180. This is 176. 136 plus W equals 180. W equals 44. So the next property, if two angles of an isosceles triangle are congruent, then the sides opposite the angles are congruent. So since these two angles have the same measure, they're congruent. So that means the sides opposite them have to be congruent. So if this side is equal to 8, x has to equal 8. And these two have the same measure, therefore they're congruent. So the sides opposite those angles have to be congruent. So this side equals 13. So y must equal 13. And we don't have any way of finding what this other side is quite yet. So that's all we have to do for that one. So next video, we're going to talk about ratio and proportions in order to compare triangles. So make sure you come back and watch that.